Now we will see how to write comments inside our program. So when we write a program, it is a good practice to always write a comments here and there that describes the function of the program. So there are two types of comments. We can write like double backslash and write here some meaningful like program to print hello world. So when the compiler is executing this program, whenever these two backslashes will come into the existence, the compiler will ignore the complete line and will jump to the another line. This is one way of writing the coding here and there. You can write this commenting anywhere in the middle of the program. And if we want to write multiple lines, like we cannot write using this method because the double backslashes is used to comment only for a single line. Now if we write a small document inside explaining about the program, we should have to use the backslash and star symbol. And now we can write anything here, like any number of lines, like number 2, any description we can give here, and it should be ended with now star and backslash. So these are the two ways we can use comments in our program. The first is a single line and second one is multiple lines. Let me delete it. Hope you understood. So let me show once compile it. See, now if we build it, see, 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now we can execute the program the same way we have done it earlier. It has no effects. The comments has no effects to the program. It is just to give the description of the program itself. And now I want to discuss something like, see here we have written using namespace std. So let us quickly remove it and let us see whether the system gives any error or not. Click on the build. See here, it is error. Cout was not declared in the scope. So we should have to use the, without using namespace, we can use std and this symbol. So now if we quickly try to build it, the system says 0 errors, 0 warning, 0 minutes. Now if we execute it, it will run successfully. So instead of writing std every time, like in this program we have written only one statement, but there are hundreds of statements if we want to write. Instead of writing every time this code, we will be including it like using namespace std. So here it will be using the namespace std. The namespace has more importance we will be discussing in further sections. Now just remember that this is the basic syntax of any C++ programming. And now let us write another cout my first program. Because we had included, we need not write std. Now let us quickly compile it, execute it. See here, hello into the world and my first program. The entire string is placed in the single line. We want this my first program in the next line. So what can we do? Let us see. So here, after completing printing the hello into the world string, now just end line. Now build it, execute it. Now see, hello into the world and my first program, both are printed in the separated lines. So here end line tells that the cursor should be placed to the next line, like here. After printing hello into the world, the cursor is placed to the next line and the system executes this program and my first program is printed. So this is all about the commenting part and the escape sequence to the new line. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video. I recommend you to practice so that you feel more comfortable when we go into the further topics. See you in the next video.